Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE V Max, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open this Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher. Then tap to OK twice and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check the new keyboard. Look, we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.